In today's video, I'll show you how to import data into Salesforce. First, open your browser and go to the official Salesforce website. Then make sure to log in with your account. On the home page, click the gear icon at the top right. Then select Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Data Import Wizard, then click it from the results under Integrations. Next, click Import My Data. You may see a tutorial video, feel free to skip it. Click Start, then choose what you want to import, for example, contacts. Select the appropriate options for your data, then click Next. Make sure your data is in a CSV file, since Salesforce requires this format for importing. If you already have a CSV file, select I have a CSV file, then click Next. Click Upload Files and choose the correct file from your device. After uploading, you can match your file's columns to the corresponding Salesforce fields using the drop-down options. You can also create new fields if needed. Make sure all your data is properly matched to avoid errors during import. Once everything is set, proceed to finish the import process. And that's it. That's how you import data into Salesforce.